Hi, we're Denise and Reed, and we have been living and traveling in this van for almost 2 years now. In our last video, we left Atlanta and made our way to Colorado to do our final preparations for Mexico. But before we make it to the warm, sunny beaches of Baja California, we have a few more things that we need to get done. Starting now.
The water pump is officially taken off. I shook it out. I don't want to unwire and rewire the water pump, so I am going to just leave it in here. Shook some of the lines out, took the water tank out, so the back end work in our garage is pretty much solid. Now it's time to take out the water filters and try to replace this faucet. All right, the old faucet's all unscrewed. Look at that. Burst right there. The only difference with this new one is this gravity ball that's supposed to help keep this line taut. I'm worried that underneath the sink, this gravity ball is gonna clank or bang around. I mean, it's pretty heavy. All the lines are hooked back up. We don't actually have hot water, but we do have the lines run if we ever want to put a hot water heater in. And then this is connected to this joint, which connects to our water filtration system. And this is the intake, and then it goes out through here into the faucet and up. Yeah, it was actually fairly easy up in there. Just took those two screws out, untwist that metal clamp, and then you're good to go. You take that out, put the new one in, we're good to go. When you pull, it goes up and down, but this thing's gonna be clanking about under here, so we'll see how annoying that is. We just got our registration renewed before heading to Baja because you don't want to run out of registration in a foreign country. This was the most important thing that we were here doing in Colorado besides the faucet. So now our two main things are off. Now it's just time to organize the van.
And see family.
Yeah, and see family. I feel way more relieved now that we have this. Get out of this 0-degree weather. Let's go.
We were supposed to leave today, but how we told you that we had to get a new faucet, there's the new faucet. But guess what? Our water pump backed up and the whole van was flooded with water. So it's an entire mess. We thought we were gonna leave within the hour. Joke's on us, right? So this is what we're gonna be doing with the rest of our afternoon. It was so clean just a couple hours ago, like half an hour ago. Take 2 of our water pump. Let's see if it works this time. I'm just seeing if there's any water in the back, because that's where we had the problem, was back here. Right here, this opened up. All right, just give it a try. Now the faucet's not working. Hey. All right.
Should do the trick right here. 1/2 inch to 3/8 compression. That seemed a little bit too easy. I got some help. They took me right to it. I've only been here for like 30 seconds, so let's see. I'm gonna go try it out and see if it works.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
All right, let's swap this bad boy out. Our old one got frozen in the off position, and when I went to turn it on, I heard a little crack, and yeah, I was hoping it was nothing, but it was something, so we gotta replace the stop valve.
How is it? Taste normal?
Yeah.
Want some more, please?
Bartender, give me another.
It's gonna definitely be a while. All right, let's see. Ah! We have water again! We have water again! We have water again! Yeah, yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, what a saga. How do you feel, Reed?
Run it one more time. I'm just trying to be extra thorough now. I want to check these joints underneath here.
Hallelujah. Now we can finally start moving south so we can make it to the border. Sadly, I have to move this pooch so I can sit down. Okay. All right, I'm gonna move you. I don't know if this is a good idea. Back in your seat. You sleepy dog. It's time for us to go.
Goodbye, Home
Way
Depot.
past time. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are driving right now. Pothole. We are leaving Denver at least right now. We slept in a neighborhood close to where I grew up. It was a comfortable sleep. We were able to run our heater this morning, which was super nice.
We're hitting the open road. All we see is highways in front of us.
Yep. We have officially crossed into New Mexico.
Let's go get some green chili.
Yeah, we should, right? We actually really enjoy New Mexico. We've been through a lot of it. Taos, we absolutely love. I have family in Albuquerque and in Ojo Caliente.
Los Alamos.
And Los Alamos. But we are just passing through. We're gonna pass through Albuquerque, but we're gonna keep on going because we got places to be. I don't know if you saw that teeny little New Mexico sign, but we were looking for the Welcome to New Mexico sign, and then on the right there was this teeny little sign. Like we could barely capture it, but we tried. We are leaving the rest stop. We just ate lunch here. We switched. I'm driving now. Reed's editing the video.
We had some terrible rice, some Zatarain's rice. Don't recommend it for anybody, ever.
I used to love Zatarain's, but not anymore. It's just not, didn't hit. Rita, come here. Come on, mama. What the? All right, let's go get this guy.
Good morning. It's always a good morning when you have breakfast burritos. We woke up after a nice restful sleep at La Quinta, and now we got our fuel. We're headed to Phoenix, where we will do a quick little workout to move our bodies, and then we're on to Mexicali or Tijuana. We had to figure that out today. We need to see where we want to cross, what side of Baja we want to explore first.
It's coming up quickly.
Yeah.
We
should be crossing the border tomorrow.
Yeah, we have about 8 hours today of driving, so let's get to it. Eat these burritos and get on the road. I can finally take this jacket off because we have almost made it to Phoenix. We are about 45 minutes away, and it is sunny out.
62 degrees.
62 degrees, which is amazing. We're making good time. We are gonna stop in Phoenix, like we said, go to Planet Fitness, and we're seeing lots of saguaros, which is always fun to see them just splayed out in front of us. And there's beautiful mountains. It feels like a really good day to be on the road, and we're just getting so close to that border. We thought we were gonna be going, as you know, we thought we were gonna be going a couple weeks ago, and the plan was to meet up with friends, and we were gonna all go in together, right? So they already have gone through and have been there for like a week and a half. And so we're pretty behind, which means we're going to be crossing in by ourselves, which is fine. We knew that was a possibility, but it also means that there's some planning that we just kind of were going to leave up in the air for when we were with our friends that we now need to figure out. That includes which border we want to cross through. There's Mexicali. There's also Tijuana. Tijuana has a couple different crossings. If you have any recs for us while we're in Baja, we plan to be there for a while, so give them to us and we'll see what we can do, see what fun we're gonna get up to. We're getting a run in at Planet Fitness before we keep going.
Just finished up our workout, got a little 5K in, did some stretching before and after, and got our last shower in before heading across the border. We're about to wrap it up here in Phoenix. We're gonna walk Bella, and we'll probably get another little snack in or something, because our next stop is gonna be right outside of Mexicali.
We're exhausted after another long drive day, but we're looking forward to getting to Mexico tomorrow, and we will share all of the ins and outs of what that journey is going to be like with you on our next video. So if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for being here and supporting us, and we will see you in the next video in Viva la Mexico! Mwah, mwah. Adios!
This is the day that we crossed the border for the first time, going into Baja in our van.